As you'll soon find out, robots and AI know no boundaries when it comes to borders. They'll happily work and socialize with two geopolitical rivals. For instance, Richtech Robotics has signed a strategic cooperation agreement with Beijing's City of Design Development Company via their Chinese joint venture, Boyu Artificial Intelligence, Beijing Technology Company. The partnership will focus on joint research and development, commercialization across high-growth verticals, and incubation of next-generation service robotics solutions. According to Matt Casella, president of Richtech Robotics, this partnership will significantly enhance the company's ability to integrate cutting-edge AI with practical robotic solutions. The goal is to accelerate the development and deployment of technologies that improve service experiences and streamline operations across key industries such as hospitality, healthcare, and retail. Under the agreement, the parties will co-apply to establish a Beijing Foreign Invested R&D Center, which will focus on pursuing breakthroughs in domain-specific large AI models, autonomous robotic decision-making systems, and integrated software and hardware platforms tailored to service industry needs. Beijing's City of Design Development Company, Limited, is a wholly state-owned enterprise that serves as the operating platform for Beijing's designation as a UNESCO Creative City of Design. Richtech Robotics has deployed over 400 robot solutions across the U.S., including in restaurants, retail stores, hotels, healthcare facilities, and more, with clients such as Texas Rangers Globe Life Field, Golden Corral, Hilton, and Sodexo. The partnership aims to advance core software hardware R&D, vertical market deployment, and industry incubation, and will likely drive innovation and growth in the service robotics sector. By collaborating with Boyu AI technology, Richtech Robotics can leverage the expertise and resources of its partner to develop and deploy more advanced AI-powered service robots. Across the Pacific, Richtech Robotics' AI-driven robot, Adam, has been invited to support the Legacy of Launch 75th anniversary event, taking place on July 24th at the Kennedy Space Center Shuttle Room. This invitation-only VIP event is designed to honor the extraordinary achievements of the past 75 years and inspire future exploration. Adam will demonstrate the powerful potential of artificial intelligence and robotics in shaping tomorrow's world. With real-world deployments already underway in the hospitality and entertainment industries, Adam's ability to serve space-themed cocktails showcases the company's commitment to pioneering technologies that enhance human experiences through state-of-the-art innovation. The event's mission is to ignite a global passion for space by honoring past achievements, celebrating present advancements, and inspiring future exploration. Richtech Robotics' participation in this landmark celebration highlights the potential for Adam and its industrial counterpart, Titan, to support space-related applications in the future. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.